Hello everyone. Today is 1 October 2021. Our today's Viva topic is interface in Java. Before start the topic, I am going to introduce myself. My name is Gajanan Hanma Survase. I am from Usmanabad. I have completed a Bachelor of Engineering in Mechanical in Pune University. So we will return to our Viva topic. So what is meant by interface in Java? Interface is a blueprint of class. Uh, Also, it has a static, constant, and abstract methods. Um, the interfaces in Java is a mechanism. The interface the interfaces in Java is a mechanism to achieve abstraction. Um, they can only abstract method in the Java interface, not method body. It is used to achieve abstraction and multiple interfaces in Java. Um, in simple words, we can say that interface in Java can have abstract methods and variables. It cannot have a method body. In Java, the interface cannot be instantiated just like the abstract class. Since Java version 8, we have default and static methods in interface. Also, since Java version 9, we can have private methods in interfaces. So we will say about use of interfaces. By using interfaces, we can achieve abstraction method. Also, by interfaces, we can support the functionality of multiple inheritance in Java. By using interfaces, we achieve loose coupling. Then we will say about how to declare an interfaces in Java. An interfaces is declared by using the in Java, the interfaces is declared by using the interface keyword. It provides total abstraction, means all the methods in an interfaces are declared with the empty body, and all the fields are public, static, and final by default. A class that implements an interface must implement all the methods declared in the interfaces. In the Then we will see about relationship between classes and interfaces. The Then we will see about the difference between class and interface. In classes, the keyword used to create a class is class, and in interfaces, the keyword used is interface. Class can be instantiated, that is, objects of class can be created. An interface cannot be instantiated, that is, objects cannot be created. It can In classes, the class can be inherit another class. Interface cannot inherit the class. The class contain constructors, and interface cannot contain constructors. Then fourth one is the class cannot contain abstract method, and the interfaces contain abstract method. In class variables, in a class can be static final or default. And in interfaces, all the variables are static and final. So it is all about interfaces. Thank you.